Hi, everybody. Hello, 209 people. Happy Sunday, everybody. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Also, I'm joining a campaign. As you can see, I posted a sticker, and it's to the campaign Super Many. I joined this campaign kasi I actually want to join a different one. Yung parang Gcash ba yun? But, parang, ang hirap nun. Kasi, ang daming nagmimilyon na. And also for this one, this campaign is just until today. So, I hope you guys help me win the campaign. And the winner of this campaign will win. So tier 1, there will be 20 winners. And the winners will all get 5,000 SME gift certificate. And then for tier 2, which is 80 winners, they will all win 1,500. So it's a big difference if you compare 5,000 to 1,500. So I hope I make it to top 20. And super useful siya for me kasi especially na I have my own place right now, a different one, and then maybe I can buy more home stuff from it. Yeah. I joke. Wait, when will it end? It's gonna end until tomorrow, diba? No. Tomorrow, 11:59. So it's not until tonight pala. Yeah, but well, my live is just until ano lang. I will only do live stream today. Tomorrow I won't be doing live stream. So today is the only chance that I'll get. So yeah. I hope you guys keep sending stickers. When was the last time I did a live stream? Oh yeah, also the last time I did a live stream, it was at night. And that time parang na-end, force end siya. And that was the time when, parang nagbabagyo, something. Parang may bagyo or before bagyo yata. And then, I didn't have, pa that time. I didn't have Wi-Fi that time. So right now, I have Wi-Fi. And yeah, I can do live stream. Wala lang, I wanna turn off the video muna. Yeah. What are you guys doing? Thank you, Blue Shane, for the GC shower. Thank you. Currently, we have 1,900 diamonds. And hopefully, we finish this live na nasa top 20 ako. Hopefully, we'll see. What are you guys doing? Thank you, iGirl, for the swerte panalo. But I hope you guys send mga campaign stickers, which are GC Bouquet, GC for You, GC Shower, and GC Fun. Thank you, LA, for the GC Bouquet. Thank you. What are you guys doing? Anong ginagawa nyo on a Sunday? Kakatapos mag-church, eating. Thank you, hey Trina, for the GC shower. Do I have plans today? I'm just gonna clean up really. Today is the only and last day that I'm gonna have a rest for this month. And it is because we are booked and busy. So, sa mga nagrereklamo dyan, ano ba akala nyo wala kaming ginagawa ha? Ito, whole month talaga, kahit weekends, pack. Oo, as in, parang diretso siya until mag-Australia kami, walang pahinga. So, ayan, sa mga nagrereklamo dyan, hoy, umayos kayo. Sige talaga. Kala niyo wala kaming ginagawa. But we do a lot. Okay? Plus, may school pa kami. So, ayun. Kaya minsan, talaga. Ako, may times na, example, I have school tapos timing my work. It's either sunod na lang ako or may mga times talaga na masa-sacrifice yung school. Even though I don't want to, but, work, work, work. But yeah. So today, actually kakabigay lang din ng schedule kasi usually every Sunday binibigyan kami ng schedule and oh my God. oh my God. It's really a very booked and busy month. So yeah. Laban lang. Kumakapit lang kami, Bini. Yeah. Tapos after Australia, oh my God, midterms week namin! Whoa! So probably by the end of this, no, not this month, end of October, we'll see if we'll make it. Yeah, we'll see if, yeah. But laban lang. Tama. Tama si Aya Nanay. Tawa na lang. Yeah, kaya minsan sa mga live ko guys, especially pag gabi, yun po yung resulta ng stress ko the whole day, that day. Kaya sa gabi, tawa ako ng tawa kasi tinatawa ko na lang. Okay? Kaya pag nag-ano kayo na ano bang meron kaya, ba't ang dami yung energy sa gabi? That's the result, guys. Meaning, ang daming nangyari sa araw ko na yan, ang daming stress na nangyari. So, itawa na lang natin. Okay? Alright. Yeah, you just hey or ha your way through life. Yeah. Ganun. Daan na lang sa tawa. O, 'di ba? Baka tumatawa na kayo diyan, ha? Kasi stress na pala, tumatawa na kayo diyan. Ayan na, mga tumatawa, oh. Naku po, are you guys okay? Okay pa ba kayo diyan? Thank you, Tita Bloom, for the GC bouquet. Ayun, oh, tumatawa. Hala, sige. Na, ang mga tao ay tumatawa. Hello, Beanie Artsy. Thank you. Na, nangabuang na sila, oh. Tawag yun, hala. Oh, hala, ang comments. Oh, ang dami palang nabubuang. Puro tawa lang, hala. Okay pa ba ang all? Thank you, the Mighty Fall, for the GC bouquet. Kayo guys, when ba yung nyo? Sa mga nag-aaral, kailan ba yung midterms nyo? Layo pa. Oy, lapit na. September, October. Last week of September. Oh. Thank you, Blue Shane, for the cheesy shower. Wow, di pa start ng class. Good luck to all. And also, guys, yun lang. Yeah. Tsaka lapit na, na ba? August, di ba? June, July, hindi, September na nga, months na. So, madali na lang yan. September. Tapos, next month, October, November, tapos December na, di ba? Malapit na lang yan, guys. Malapit na tayong matapos. Charot! Malapit na matapos ang taong ito. Yeah. So, kapit lang, bro, because it's bromance. It's, it's September. Tapos, oh my God, after ng mga midterms nyo, di ba? Usually, mga yan, October, di ba? Or finals. After nyan, may konting break kasi All Saints, All Souls Day, ganun. A little break in between, tapos go ulit. Last push kasi, 'di ba, usually mga finals nasa December 'yan. Tapos after niyan, boom, Pasko or New Year. Tapos another year. Another year to to be stressed. Charot lang, joke lang. Yeah, another year and more months for more breakdown moments. Charot. Ganun. Hala. Tapos after New Year, January na. Tapos ang bilis ng panahon. 23 na ako. I'm still young though. Thank you, MJ, for the GC bouquet. Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. Parang, kailan lang na nag-celebrate ako ng birthday ko sa girls. Tapos magsa-celebrate ulit. Parang ang bilis ng panahon ito. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's my Jordan year. What? 23. What if oh my God, what if ako, birthday ko, yung mga i-invite, dapat naka-Jordan lang. No Jordan, no entry. Wow, charot! Feeling. Ano naman? Bongga naman. Pwede naman, di ba kasi Jordan is 23 yan? Tapos pwede naman, Gorgon. Gorjan. Dorjan. Fake na. Fake na Jordan. Hala, oh my God, guys! Because, sa group chat namin sa girls, we're talking about dogs lately. Kasi, I mean, like right now. Kasi my friend si Maloy, nagbebenta ng ng dogs. Tapos, nag-message siya, golden retriever daw. Tapos, ayun. So, oh my God! Is this the sign? Bro, oh my God! Kaso lang, guys, the bigger the better the dog is. Ganon. The bigger the dog, the better it is. Yeah, but yung ano ko lang, yung worry ko lang, iniisip ko is example, if may mga bakasyon or mga travel or yun like 'pag pa-Australia, 'pag Pasko, New Year, kanino ko siya iiwan? Ayun nga lang. Ay, 'pag iiwan ko sa Blooms, siguro iiwan ko sa inyo, ipa-raffle 'no, "Okey, for the month of October, kaninong Bloom mapupunta 'to? Wheel of Name, trrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr gano'n. Sa top 1 gifter, sa'yo mapupunta ang aso ko. Trrrr, ting, 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 ting. Gano'n pala. Pero nakakaawa naman sa aso kasi parang baka matu-trauma kasi iba-ibang ano, iba-iba yung nagte-take care. Tapos 'di ba kasi iba-ibang ano, 'pag iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang ways sila ng pag-alaga, 'di ba? May mga alam ba kayong pet hostels or parang pet hotel or something? Pero kasi nakakaano ako. Oh my God! Pure golden retriever, 5 months old. Ah! 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 What is this? Is it a boy? Parang it's a boy. Oh my God! Kaso, no. I'm deciding no muna. Kasi, dogs, unlike cats, cats can be, mas ano yung cats, parang kahit iwan mo sila, they have their own world. So, they can make the most of their own world. Kasi yung dogs, they're very sociable, ganun. So, you really need to be there for them all the time and take good care of them. Ah! No, maybe ano, soon na lang. It's fine, it's fine. Ay, girl daw. Girl din daw. Girl yung ano. I mean, no offense, but like, kasi mas high maintenance 'di ba 'pag girl kasi ano din niregla sa ano yung dogs, kahit dogs. Tapos, what if maano mabuntis, Diyos ko po. So dog, if ever I get a dog, boy. Pero, no muna, no muna. This is a sign, it's no. Yeah, kasi yung iniisip ko like 'pag Pasko, ano, saan ko ilalagay? Borrow na lang muna ako ng dog sa friend ko, yung si Rhea, yun na lang. Sabi din niya kasi if magta-travel siya, ayun, iwan niya yung dog niya. Anyways, if we reach 50K, I'll turn on my cam. Ha! No, I look so stressed. I look so stressed. My face looks so stressed. Kagabi, guess what time we got home, guys? Legit, 24 hours kami nagtrabaho. So, call time namin is 1:35 yata AM. Tapos I got back here mga ganong oras din, 1:35 or pa 2 AM. Ayun. Well, sila, for them, mas maaga sila nauwi kasi sila yung ano, inuna. Ako yung pinaka-last na hinatid eh. Kasi ako yung naiba and ako yung ano, malayo sa kanila. So, yes! Kaya sa mga nagrereklamo dyan, hello, we are working hard. Yes! Kaya abang-abang na lang. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we are also proud of ourselves, of everybody, especially yesterday, because it was really tiring. It was so tiring, but we made it. Thank you, Simori, for the GC bouquet. So, ayun. Actually, may ano sana kami today. May ganap, but yeah, it was canceled. But, ooh! If ever may ganap today. It's a non-stop ganap until the end of this month and until next month. But it's fine. For the love of blooms, you know. Ganun namin kayo kamahal, guys. And well, we like ano din naman. We don't want to complain and be like, ano ba yan, daming ganap. But actually, the more the bugbog. Charot. The more, the many blessings the weekend. Ganon. More ganaps, more blessings. Yon. Yeah. And I mean, it's, and normal, I think normal din kasi usually basta start of Burr months. Ganon. Dumadami yung blessings usually kasi daming events, especially if it's leaning towards December na. So, yes. That's 8K, and I'm gonna turn on my camera, and you are gonna see me in my Hagardo Verzosa face. And after this live, I'm gonna clean. Kasi ang dami ko pang kailangan linisin. The Mighty Fall, thank you so much for the GC bouquet. Ayan na! Oh my gosh! The moment of truth. Okay. The momenta of the truth. Hello! Guys, naka-filter ako, guys. Don't be fooled. This is the... Oh, diba? Naka-ano ako. Parang lipstick. Guys, kasi yung haggard ko naman kasi. Hindi, in times like these, we need help. Okay? I need help. And thank you to Kumus Filter. Still rosy cheeks, still yeah, na-inspired ako. Grabe naman, 100K no filter. Gusto niyo talaga makita yung ano ko. Yes, thanks to Sheena May Katakutan, ngayon ko lang to na-discover, and the entire time, mukha akong zombie pag nagla-live. Ngayon, at least fresh zombie, ganun. So, yeah. Happy na? Are you guys happy to see me at my Hagardo with Zoza? How is my my new place? Hi! I like my new place because in terms of the size and how close I am to school. Kaso, as of now, I haven't, ang dami ko pang kailangan gawin, as in, like, with my clothes, the boxes, I still have boxes here, dami kong boxes. Yeah, but so far, it's, yeah, may kuryente na. And what happened was because, hindi pa pala nabayaran yung, kuryente ng last tenant. So, parang nakakaloka. But yeah, I'm still gonna, my closet. I'm gonna vacuum, mop, organize, do whatever stuff I can do in here. Yeah. Yes, it's a cleaning day, so it's totally not a rest day.
Kasi ano, I mean, excited. Cooking day? Hmm, we'll see later. Oh, guys, alam niyo ba? Sa here, my condo, feeling ko kasi may ano, feeling ko may aso sa taas, like the unit above this unit. Do you hear that? Kasi narinig ko yung mga, alam mo yung mga, ano ng aso, footsteps? Yung sa nails, ganun. As in, rinig siya. Sana aso yun, kasi kung hindi, tapos, actually, gusto ko nga magtanong. Siguro mamaya magtanong ako pagbaba ko. Because I'm gonna throw that trash and get my laundry. So I wanna ask, the concierge mamaya if may unit, may ano ba, may tenant ba or may owner ba sa may nakatira ba about this unit? Kasi as in every day, every night ko narinig yung yung parang gano'n. Yung parang sa aso, yung nails, yung parang gano'n. Tapos what if sasabihin na wala? Guys, oh my God! Oh my God, I have the worst bangungot last night. Ang weird ng bangungot ko, di ko maalala, pero it was so weird and scary. Ah, ano nga yun? Basta horror-horror siya, gano'n-gano'n. Basta, well, it was something about this place na parang may something. No joke. I don't know if because I'm really tired, baka gano'n din. Kasi 'di ba usually binabangungot tayo 'pag ano, 'pag pagod, baka gano'n din. But grabe ang lala ng bangungot ko, baka gano'n din nag-reflect kasi sobrang pagod. But as in, it's about alam mo 'di ba basta you get bangungot, parang you remember it, tapos 'di mo ma-remember, parang gano'n. It's like 50-50 and then it's also like 50-50 na, it's like real time or a dream, parang gano'n. But yeah, I think I dreamt something about this. I know I dreamt something about this place. Something horror. Ganun. Yeah. Tapos, like, kahapon din, nag-dream din ako naranasan niyo na ba guys na example, nag-dream kayo. Tapos, example, natulog talaga ako. Tapos sa dream ko pala, well, wherein I thought it was real kasi it felt real. Sa dream ko, nagising ako tapos parang nagulat ako, "Wait lang, ba't dito ako natulog? I slept over there." Pero paggising ko talaga na final na talaga na real world, wait, akala ko dun ako natulog, pero dito nga, ha? Parang gano'n, parang nagdodoble. What does that mean? Hmm, but hindi siya sleep paralysis na hindi makagalaw, gano'n, pero yung parang as in like lahat ng details na parang sino kasama ko, sino katabi ko, gano'n. Tapos kinakausap pa ako na parang so what happened is example nasa van ako tapos so natulog ako sa front. Pero sa dream ko, so ginising nila ako, pero sa dream ko, nagising ako na parang, "Oh my God, sana tayo," gano'n. Tapos ginising ako. Tapos si Joanna pa yung naggising sa'kin. Pero I even thought it was real kasi it felt real. Until I finally woke up and was like, "Wait, nandito ako sa harap, pero sa dream ko nasa likod ako." Pero alam mo yun, basta gano'n. Anyways, a dream within a dream, parang gano'n. What's the lucid dream? It's weird. I've tried that a lot of times na parang in my dream, I dreamt of dreaming. And then in my dream, I dreamt of the real world. Basta ganon. Parang it's a dream within a dream. Yes, parang dreamception. Parang, ewan ko. It's weird and interesting at the same time. My dreams happen in real life. Baka ano yan, that's called manifesting. Nagkatotoo yung dream mo. Actually guys, baka nagde-dream lang ako, tulog pa talaga ako ngayon 'no. Yeah, baka pagod lang ako. Pero sa gabi talaga ang weird. Tas ilang beses ko ako magising na alam mo yung 'pag binabangungot ka, you force yourself to be awake. Tapos when you go back to sleep again, you experience sleep paralysis again. So parang you keep forcing yourself na to stay awake, gano'n. Parang keep forcing myself to stay awake ta's inaantok ta's matutulog gising na naman. Yeah. Thank you, Tita Blue, for the GC bouquet. What's tihaya? Nakakulog, baliktad. Gan'to? This is tihaya? Is this tihaya? Ay wait, huh? Ako natutulog is naka-side, like nakagano'n. Basta naka-side. No, I don't sleep like that. Basta naka-side, gano'n. Side dapat. No, it's not just now that I experience that. I keep experiencing that. Even when I was a kid, na to the point parang na-normalize ko na siya yung pagka-sleep paralysis ko. And they say it has something to do with your mental something or brain or because I know some people na they don't get dreams that much or they can only count how many times they've dreamt their entire lives. So, yeah. I think because I don't know really, but it's weird. Is that genetic? Is it genetic though if ganun? Alam ko din yung brother ko, he dreams a lot. Like he even sleepwalks before, but I don't think so now. Not that much siguro. Pero I know he always dreams a lot. Me too. I also have a cousin na nag-dream siya. Tapos, lahat ng mga dreams niya na very cryptic or very, alam mo yun, very parang real life, na basta may meaning, nagkakatotoo. Like, example, nagkaka-dream siya na, so my late grandmother was in her dream and then she was chasing her daw. Tapos, ayun, yun pala kasi may parang im ewan ko, pero parang na ano namin na anong tawag dun? Parang na-solve namin yung puzzle bakit kaya gano'n yung dream niya. Kasi parang ano pala, baka kaya gano'n kasi, yung late grandmother ko pala is may gustong sabihin sa kanya. 'Cause like after that, her daughter ba? Or basta anak niya is ano, namatay yung anak niya. It's baby pa. Tapos nag-dream din kasi siya na ano, na parang anong tawag dun? Basta may ano, casket na maliit. Tapos ayun, kaya daw pala parang yung late grandmother ko is chine-chase siya kasi baka gano'n. But yeah, ang may mga taong gano'n na parang 'pag nagde-dream sila, it really connects. Parang basta bakit kaya gano'n 'no? Yeah. Tapos may uncle din ako na nag-dream siya about my, um, grandparents yata or one of my grandparents. Tapos after daw ng dream niya may na-feel daw siya na ano, kailangan niya daw talaga umuwi and to see my ano, grandparents kasi parang may nasa-sense siya, something gano'n na may mangyayari gano'n. Ta's yun nga, meron nga. So yeah. Totoo ba yan? Basta when you dream about something bad, you have to share it agad daw para it won't happen, sabi ni Bining Artsy. Yun yung naano ko din na parang if you have a bad dream, share it. So parang para ma-jinx or something gano'n. Ooh, psychic ability 'no, oh my God. Nag-dream din ako before and yung kuya ko din na ano, yung ipin natanggal. I think sa'kin is sa anong meaning if kasi 'di ba may iba-ibang meaning yan. May ibang meaning is sa front, sa likod, or if all. Sa'kin I think I dreamt sa front or ay bawal ikuwento. Sige na, bungi na lang ko guys. Charot. Pero it was before pa I was a kid. Yeah. Ha? Ikuwento sa halaman? Bakit? Ha? Have you experienced ikuwento sa puno at kagatin ang puno. Hala, puwede kagatin ko sarili. Totoo ba? Bakit wood? Hala, tapos what if pagkagat mo yung ipin mo nasira? 'Pag gano'n ala na-crack, wala na. Kaya pala nag-dream ka ng gano'n kasi totoo nga talaga yung dream mo na natanggal ipin kasi natanggal talaga sa totoo, ayun. Kaya siguro gano'n ba? Nabungi talaga. Anong hinliliit? What's hinliliit? Pinky? Yung pinky po, may pinky finger. Totoo ba yan? Pag hindi daw pantay, may ano daw? Pero, anong meaning, guys? Kung yung hinliliit ko is guys, if bungi yung hinliliit ko. Anong meaning nito? Anong meaning pag ganito, guys? Pag UP po siya. Ang pangit! This is my flaw, guys. So, not everybody is perfect. Alam mo yung parang, kasi kami minsan nagjo-joke kami, girls, na parang, grabe, ang ganda niya. Ano kaya imperfection niya? Siguro bungi siya nung bata siya. Parang ganun. Siguro, if ganun, guys, sa akin, may nag-wonder, hala, ano kaya imperfection ni Aya? Ito, guys. Baliko, guys. Pangit, guys. Ito, mas okay pa to, pero ito talaga, pangit talaga. 1, 2, 3. Diba? Wala, ang pangit talaga. May scolio yung ano ko. Oh, grabe. Guys, ang daming, guys. Ewan ko if, ayoko na. Feeling ko, every time nasasaya ako, yun yung papansinin nyo. Kasi, like example, sa Golden Arrow, may step ako na parang, ganun. So, parang tignan mo, grabe talaga, ang pangit, tapos pag i-ano ko siya, idikit, ang hirap kasi, it's an effort. So, parang, hindi talaga, nagaganon na siya. Ganun ito, pangit talaga. Pangit. So, parang example, if ma-shock ako, oh my God, what's that? Ang pangit. Oh my God! Oh my God! Thank you for surprising me. Hindi ba pangit? Ito. Diba? Mas okay pa. Oh my God! Thank you so much. I'm so surprised. Sige, siguro dito na lang sa left ko. Diba? Ang ganda! Parang, huy! Oh my God! Ikaw talaga. Ito parang, huy! Yak! Huy! Huy! Tapos hindi, nakaganon siya. Hindi siya na, diba? Parang, huy! Uy, ka na! Diba? Nakaganon siya. Hindi ko hindi ko i-flex. Hindi to naka-flex talaga ito. Ang pangit talaga. Grabe naman, bading yung pinky finger. Yeah, baka that's the in me. This is my bading side. My baliko side. I'm 1% baliko, which is my pinky. I have a colorful side. It's my colorful flaw. You guys. Do you hear it? Diba? Hindi lang ako, guys. Narinig nyo, guys. May proof. Diba? May parang, diba? Tapos wala parang tao sa taas. Do you hear it? Diba? You hear it? Parang ganun siya. Diba? Pag gabi talaga, nakagana. Tapos wala pa na nakatira. Hala. Parang siyang footstep ng aso. Narinig ko. Hala. We'll see, we'll see. I'll ask. Kasi guys, may friend ako. Ano siya, hindi ko siya personal friend, pero parang friend sa FB. Tapos, nakita ko, so nag-story siya, parang kaka-move in niya, horror stories tayo ngayon, no? So, kaka-move in niya sa new place niya, parang apartment yata, ganun. Tapos, every time daw natutulog siya, wala siyang, ayun, normal, natutulog. Tapos, as in, nag-post siya, pinost niya sa story. The morning after she woke up, ang dami niyang scars sa likod. As in like gano'n. Eh, sino bang magsa-scar ng gano'n, eh, siya lang mag-isa. Tapos sa likod pa niya. So, 'di ba, parang paano? Tapos ayun, yung Bible daw niya parang nahulog daw. Totoo, I'm not joking, totoo 'to. Kasi nag-post talaga siya tapos ang dami ding na-worry sa kanya. Tapos ayun, tapos ayun, parang may mga naririnig din siya na mga boses paggabi. Tapos ayun, nag-story siya na parang, I'll keep you guys posted about anong mangyayari." Tapos yun din, nung natulog ulit siya is mas lumala daw yung scar niya pagka nung gabi after that. Tapos ayun, hala! Uy, baka ganito ako tapos, uy, mamaya ay ako, magkaka-sleep paralysis ako. Pero grabe, as in, to the point na she has to talaga schedule na appointment na update mo kami if meron bang nakatira sa taas. Uy, dapat talaga 'pag wala talaga, ewan ko. Kaka-move in ko lang, hala. If gano'n, wala talaga, do you hear that? Pero grabe 'no, if gano'n ang nipis ng walls dito if ever, pero baka rats? Pero hindi kasi ceiling is hindi siya, anong tawag dun? Kasi 'di ba 'pag kahoy, yun naririnig talaga yung mga ng kasi before din, nagka-experience din kami gano'n sa camp. So, kasi yung ceiling ng camp, para siyang square-square na parang puwede mong i-lift mo lang, ma-o-open mo siya tapos you can see the what's inside. So, kahoy siya tapos that time, may mga times kasi na bawal kami kumain. So, that's where we keep our food. Tapos ayun, yung may dun kami nagtatago ng food. Tapos may time talaga na as in like parang nagharambulan yung mga daga. Kasi gano'n sila, like grabe talaga. Tapos the next morning chineck namin, lahat ng mga pagkain wala na, may kagat. Grabe talaga. Pero kasi if 'di ba cement, hindi mo maririnig. Kasi I mean, cement, eh. So, parang naano ako nito, bakit hindi naman 'to kahoy, it's cement naman, eh. Hmm. Tsaka pero if gano'n naka-tiles, oh, thank you Kyla for the GC bouquet. Pero if gano'n cement tapos naka-tiles, rinig pa rin ba? Hindi dapat, 'di ba? Kasi yun nga, tiles yung mga dito. 'Di, okey lang guys. Kahit hindi okey, pipilitin nating okey. Kasi wala na tayong move in, okey? No choice. Pilitin natin. 1 year pa ako dito. Huy! Woo! If gano'n ano, magpakabingi na lang ako. Wala akong maririnig. Wala akong narinig na bark ng dog. Baka ano, hindi nagba-bark yung dog nila. Ha? Ah, totoo nga. Sige, check ko talaga mamaya. Sabihan ko na, "Miss, may nakatira ba sa taas ng unit ko? Kasi may narinig ako lagi na mga footsteps." Oh my God, nakakatakot, Dok. Yung question pa lang, may narinig na footstep. Uy! Magpapasko, hindi magha-Halloween. I am a Pasko person. Anyways, guys, alam niyo ilang days na lang bago magpasko. It's 106. It's 106. Maglalagay ba ako ng Christmas tree? I'll see if ma-sort out ko na yung mga gamit ko dito kasi I still have so many things. Plus, we'll see. Also, I'm thinking if I'm gonna celebrate here or in Cebu. Yeah. I'll see. Yeah. Guys, oh my God. Pasko na talaga. Guys, wag kayong mamasko sa akin. Wala akong pang ano. Ako dapat mamasko sa inyo, uy. Wala akong pang ano. Ako na lang mamasko sa inyo. Please. Anong Christmas gift gusto ko? Siguro yung pagse-send lang ng stickers, okay na yan. Kaya, hello po, namamas ko po ng GC Bouquet, GC For You, GC Shower, GC Fun. Ayun. Ayun na lang. Thank you, PBT. Sana may event kayo sa Japan or Korea for Christmas para bongga. We'll see. pero feeling ko pa ng alanganin. Tsaka we have Australia. I think that's the trip that we will have for this year. So far for this year, naging trip namin is to Singapore tapos yung sa Australia. So, I mean, 'di ba? 2 countries in 1 year for us girls. Am I excited for Australia? I'm actually kinakabahan. Excited kasi syempre travel pero kinakabahan in terms of work kasi oh my God! Oh my God! It's not easy. Tsaka yung set kasi namin is parang, it's tiring. But we'll see. We'll make it. We can do it. Tsaka hindi kasi kami, I mean, the crowd there is a different crowd compared here. So, ayun. May Australia version ba ng Last Christmas? Pilitin ko si Mix. Para para iba-iba, 'di ba? Dubai, tapos US, tapos Australia. Oh, tapos ang galing kasi every bare months talaga. Pilitin ko si Mix. Pag hindi siya talaga, wala. Dapat papayag siya. Yeah. Naks, every year, ibang bansa. Hala, gusto ko din mag-ano, not just Mika, but like the rest of the girls. Para yearly thing siya. Oo, dapat Christmas song! Sige, mag-ano na ako for girls. I'll think. Currently have 93K. Keep sending stickers, guys, and also I will end my live mga 9:40, 2:40. Because I have to clean pa and have to do stuff. But mostly it's cleaning day today. Yes, today is the last day then. I think so, of a rest day. Kasi, puro ganap kami kahit weekends. Masusunod ba sa akin? Yes. So for today, mag-live is si Colette, si Gwen, and then si Maloy. Thunder's Line. Thank you, Joanne De Leon. No, natulala ako kasi I'm just waiting kasi nag-lag siya. What's mahal ko or mahal ako game? What's that? What do you do with that? You tell me a name and then I say if mahal ko or mahal ako. Go! Okay, give me a name. Go. Let's do that. But keep sending stickers. Sige, okay. Beanie members. Okay, I see Colette. Colette. Mahal ko. Kasi I know Colette loves me. Yung parang yung tipong kahit hindi ko sasabihin sa kanya na love me, ganun, mahalin mo ako. Pero siya yung parang yung tipong she loves without getting something in return. So parang kaya yung sagot ko kay Colette is mahal ko. So para I can reciprocate the love that she gives. Even though she doesn't ask for it. Tama ba? Did I do it right? Did it right? Okay. Okay, next one. Huh? Mahal ako dapat. Wait ba? Ano ba? So, if I answer is, example, if I answer mahal ko or mahal ako, mahal ko is parang, mahal ko na I love her, parang ganun, or I want to love her, I want her to love me, ganun. Ah! Yung parang, so if mahal ko is mas lamang yung love ko sa kanya? So, parang gano'n. Ayun din, parang same din. Kaya mahal ko kasi I want to give my love. Kasi I know naman na Colette is that type of person na she gives love. She's, mahal ko lahat, gano'n type of person. So, she needs a person in her life then who is a mahal ko, which is me. I can be her mahal ko to her. Because she is that person. Parang gano'n. Yeah. Okay. Next, Joanna. Same. Mahal ko. Kasi gano'n din si Jo, eh. Parang she is very parang, she's very yun, loving, caring, forgiving, understanding. So, she doesn't think about, okay, if mahal ba niya ako? I don't care. I'll just love her. Parang gano'n. So, yun. Okay. Pero paano ko isagot nga kung mahal ako? Mahal ako. Mas mahal ako. Ay, nakakalito. Pero I don't wanna compare kasi sino mas lamang sa love. Parang it's wrong to compare kung sino mas lamang sa pagmamahal. Cause love is incomparable. Ba't ba nauso yung game na yan? Wait lang, nalito na tuloy ako. Okay, if sasabihin mong mahal ko, meaning ikaw yung mas mapagmahal? Sige. So, parang sila Jo and Colette, mahal ako, gano'n. Gano'n, tama ba? Is this right now? Ayun, okay, okay. So, mahal ako. Okay. Okay, next. Okay. Si Maloy, hala, nalito ako. Sige, basta sagot na lang ako, basta may word na mahal, mahal yan, okay. Mahal ako. Kasi si Maloy din is very parang showy, very showy kasi si Maloy, eh. Yun. Okay, next. Si Gwenny. Feel ko ito si Gwenny mahal ko. Kasi she's very precious din. Na parang very baby. I mean, she's very din naman, clingy, but like, siguro as an ate, yun. Ayun. Hindi naman sa parang talaga si Gwen, pero kasi mature din naman si Gwen in some aspects or mga 'di ba, we're all mature but in different aspects, gano'n. But yeah, kasi Gwen is very precious, so parang mahal ko and I'm always the protect Gwen at all cost enthusiast. Okay. Next is Taku. Mahal ko. Yeah. Kasi mahal ko. Feeling ko sa mga sinasagot ko na mahal ko is yun yung very ako, very ate instincts ako sa kanila, yun. Kaya gano'n. Yeah, so sasabihin ko na lang yung mga mahal ko. Si Gwen, si Stacy, si Sheena. Si Mika is parang salitan, eh. Salitan. 'Cause like there are times na very ako sa kanya, gano'n, ate. Pero there are times na parang if ako need ko ng love, parang she's there tapos I feel very babied, parang gano'n. Gano'n. Kasi siya, eh, Mika is the type of person na when I think of Mika, she is the little things in life. Yung tipong little things but it has a big impact, parang gano'n. Na parang secret angel, parang gano'n. It's not basta parang gano'n. Yeah, gano'n. Yeah. Kasi ano, eh, so hindi kami super clingy. Kasi I'm not super as a person din ako, hindi ako super clingy. And then, si Mika hindi din super clingy. So, kaya hindi kami super, alam mo yun, like, showy na, I love, 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 gano'n, gano'n. Pero, if we do, kaya gano'n, little things na big thing. Kasi, yung mabigat talaga. Basta, ayun. 'Cause ano, ayun, like example 'pag may mga times na hindi ako okey tapos siya yung makaka-sense kasi na parang, "Hey, are you okay?" Parang ayun. So yun, yung mga times, mga little things. Yeah, acts of service si Mika din. So, ayun. Tapos nakaka-pick up din kasi siya na parang, okay, I know parang this person is not okay. Tapos kaya secret angel is kasi she doesn't have to say it, she shows it agad through actions kasi alam niya agad na parang, okay, this person is not feeling great and, you know, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, very empath. Yeah, and I think because ayun din baka kasi alam na niya na parang, okay, this is how you are if you're not in your very happy state, gano'n. Yeah. But lahat naman ng girls may mga kasi and also I think it's because na, um nakakatulong talaga na we all live in one house together kasi that's how we all learned our yes and no languages, our love languages. Parang example if, and I think diyan mo lang talaga malalaman more about the person if you live with them. Kasi ano, eh, iba talaga 'pag kasama mo siya 24/7. Kasi example, if you only get to be with the person for this amount of time, siyempre parang it's so easy to pretend or ano your energy na, "Oh, you're all so optimistic only around those hours." Pero before that or parang behind that, you're a different person pala, you're hiding it pala. Pero kasi 'pag you live in one house nakikita mo lahat na, okey, hindi pala siya okey kahit gan'to. So, parang 'pag gabi hindi siya okey kahit nung umaga okey naman, mga gano'n, gano'n. So, parang dahil dun, us living all in one place, in one house together, we learned how to adjust with each other. We learn how to balance each other out na parang, okay, ako okay ako, siya hindi. I'm gonna give a piece of me to her, parang gano'n. So, we balance. So, 'cause I'm so happy today, she is not, and, she needs this piece of happiness from me, and I'm gonna give it to her, parang gano'n. Yeah, gano'n kami. Yeah, true. You see an unmasked version of everybody. Yeah, kaya especially nung time na pandemic, so parang kami talaga nagsabi kami na, "Yeah, girls, tulong-tulungan lang talaga tayo. We are all that we have. Tayo-tayo lang." Kasi that time na parang wala, layo kami sa family and friends. So, kahit may times talaga na no joke, may times na nagkakasawaan kami. Na example after training or parang may mga free days, "Okey girls, huwag kayong magpakita sa mga mukha, huwag tayong magpapakita sa isa't isa, magla-lock ako ng door." Pero hindi naman sa we hate each other, pero parang we need self time, parang gano'n. Parang, "Okey, huwag mo katukin yung ano ko, yung door ko. Leave me alone, me time." Pero hindi naman sa I hate you, gano'n. Mga gano'n lang. Yung parang you need time to recuperate so you have energy to be with others, gano'n. Especially na everyday pa naman nakikita namin pagmumukha namin sa isa't isa, 'di ba? Nakakaumay talaga. But ayun, oo. Pero yeah, pero actually nakaka-miss na ano, yung mga times na nasa Ubay. Kasi actually nung time na pandemic din tapos kami lahat magkasama sa isang bahay. Yung mga thank you Chibi Cat for the, stickers. May mga times na yung mga friends ko kasi 'di ba they don't get to see their friends during pandemic tapos sila mag-isa. ang daming nagsasabi sa'kin na, "At least kayo 'no, magkasama kayo lahat, friends mo, sa PINI," gano'n. Tapos not gonna lie, kahit nauumay kami minsan sa pagmumukha namin kahit puro training lang, pero masaya siya kasi after that nagkakaraoke kami, gano'n. Nagfo-food trip, nagmo-movie, 'di ba? So parang it's a big family talaga, gano'n. Oo, tapos ayun, ang dami naming mga ginagawa, nag-e-exercise together, nagpe-painting, lahat. Nagvo-volleyball, gano'n. Kahit nasa loob lang, kahit nasa garahe lang, kahit ano-ano na lang talaga naisip namin, gano'n. Pero yeah, tsaka it really, deepened our, level of relationship. Kasi nung time na yung before kung feeling ko talaga if kanya-kanya kaming ano, place nung pandemic. Alam mo yung ano, yung kasi 'di ba we all have friends na siyempre hindi tayo iba-iba tayo ng place or houses from our friends. Pero 'pag nagkita kayo, okey kayo kasi you have that boundary kasi na parang, you're friends, you have boundaries as friends, you're all good. Pero you are not in that level of super ano, yung comfortable na kayo or deep level. And sometimes for you to know then your true friends, you have to reach that level of deepness and you have to go through a lot of uncomfortable conversations, uncomfortable situations kasi yun lang naman nagpapatas sa inyo kung matibay yung friendship nyo eh. Ganun. So, kaya siguro yung iba parang acquaintances lang kasi I mean, you only get to be with them, to see them, talk to them only in those happy moments wherein hindi nate-test yung friendship niyo. Kasi for it to be tested, you have to experience happiness, sadness, angry moments, lahat. So, yun. Anyways, ang dami kong ano. Basta, yeah, that's being life. Thank you, Denise Kea, for the GC bouquet. Ay, hindi ko pa na ano, na-continue. Okay. O, di ba? Kita niyo yung box ko. Okay, let's continue. Ay, nasabi ko na! Si Sheena is mahal ko. Si Ling? Mahal ko, siyempre. Mahal ba ako nun? Kinakagat ako eh. Siguro, love language niya naman yun, pero sure. Si Ling talaga mahal ko kasi ako nagpapakain that time before. Ako nagpapaano sa kanya, nagpapa-vet. Okay, next. More names. Sige. Si Kuya Islaw, mahal ako. Sobrang mahal ako ni Kuya Islaw talaga, as in para ko siyang tatay. Grabe, mahal kami lahat, gano'n. Very selfless si Kuya Islaw, as in like, siya talaga yung hindi nag-e-expect ng kahit ano, na lahat ibibigay niya, lahat ng tulong niya, lahat ng basta grabe talaga. Best boy Kuya Islaw, that's true. Basta talaga may time na as in, yun talaga yung pinaka hindi ko malilimutan ever in my entire life na I feel like nobody has ever topped that moment ever yet in my life. Na basta yung may time na I was super down and I didn't ask him for it, but kusa lang talaga na nandyan siya sa tabi ko, literally by my side, just waiting for me to wake up, to eat, to be there, to be a shoulder to cry on. Kasi yun talaga, yun yung time na sobrang ano ako. Yung tipong wala akong gana with everything. In short, I was in my downest moment. So yun. Isla was there. He was like my papa. Tapos si Kuya Isla, very ano siya, empath. Like, nakaka-sense siya agad. Like, example, pag hindi ako okay, nagme-message yan.
Tapos nag-aaya na lang, "Tara kain." Kasi or as in kahit ano, as in like may energy shift lang gano'n. Bigla lang siya na, "Oh, eto nilutuan kita," gano'n. Kasi alam ko hindi ka okey. Parang mga gano'n. Those type of little things are what matters a lot. Kaya find your person who has all those little things. Find your person who is who has the little things type of Cameroon. Kuya Islao is a deep green flag. Yon. As of now, my person is me. I love myself. I take care of myself. Yeah. It's hard sometimes, but you are all you have in this world. Okay, next. Mm, feeling ko eto na lang, generic na lang. Sa mga boss, feeling ko mahal ako at mahal kami kasi I know there are so many things that we don't know behind everything, and I mean the fact that we're here, it means they really love us. Kasi if they don't, wala na kami dito, 'di ba? So yun. And that's for all the coaches, the bosses, and everyone in this management. Blooms. Ewan ko, mahal niyo ba kami, guys? Mahal niyo ba kami talaga? Ah! Ba't nagrereklamo kayo? Charot lang. Char lang. Hindi, feeling ko, mutual. Mahal kami at minsan hindi. Charot! Joke. We all love each other. As much as you love us. Thank you, Loner Wolf, for the GC bouquet. Basta guys, I hope na we establish a relationship or like a fandom na we are all loving and respectful. Kasi, to be honest, minsan nakakalungkot talaga whenever we see like sa social media, even if we try our best, to not mind it. Pero, it's just sad na parang may mga nangihila pababa. Or even if, example, if it's not about, or basta don't engage in like example, may mga nagbabash din, ganun. Huwag na lang, like, let them. Hello, kasi, you know why? Ba't hayaan na lang natin yung mga ganun? Kasi, that's them. Don't let their, actions be a reflection of you. A bad reflection of you. So, if, example, yung ibang tao, they're full of hate, they're full of, mga bash or ganun, that's them. They are reflecting themselves. Tayo, are we that? Are we full of hate? No, let's not be full of hate. Let them. Tayo, let's just, live life and be full of love na, okay, I see so much hate in you, but that's not me, so I'm not gonna hate. So, diba? Yeah. Ganun, wag na lang pumatol. Art of Deadma, true si Fox Bobby. Yeah. Tsaka, like, I don't know, I feel sad for people na, especially yung mga taong na gumagawa ng accounts just to hate on people, na parang every move may
may say na parang, "Ayan si ano ganyan," yung mga troll din gano'n. Kasi parang grabe. Like, I wonder what they're doing with their lives that they have so much time for hate na, it makes me think, do they get the love that they deserve? Or parang umaapaw ba talaga yung hate na nasa kanila kaya, they vent it out through those stuff. And kaya it makes me sad because, they need love. Ayun. Basta sa inyo, God bless you. No, really, like, I hope you are blessed with love. Cause like, everybody deserves love and happiness in this world. So, yeah. Yeah. Eh, sus, 'pag hindi daw pinatulan duwag daw, ay sus. Ay, nagsasabi lang sila ng mga gano'n kasi wala, that's their ano, yun lang sila dun lang sila natutuwa. It's because of the attention that they get. Because whenever they hate, because 'di ba, the psychology behind it is that's why people hate is to receive attention sometimes. And that's why they use hate because hate is a sensitive thing and it's a very striking thing. So parang nakakaano talaga na parang ano 'to, bakit hate gano'n, gano'n. So if you feed them that attention, it feeds them and their ego na parang, "Ha I got the attention that I deserve or like that I need." And then they're gonna keep continuing it and gonna keep hating because nakakuha sila ng attention. Whereas if you just let them be, so parang mabo-bored din yan na parang, "What is the point of me hating? Nobody even gives me attention." So parang wala, 'di ba? And then hopefully, let's just hope for them na, hope they convert to being, very loving and have, full of love for themselves. Basta yun. Basta tayo, let's keep our head high and then just be full of love, you know. Also, guys, I hope hindi tayo makisali sa hate. Like, example, example, may nag-hate nga sa Beanie or like sa Blooms. Let them! I mean, I get it sometimes na kaya siguro ganun na parang pinapatuloy kasi I mean, nagde-defend lang. Pero sometimes you have to ano din, weigh it out if it's worth it. If it's worth it for you to give your energy to them. Yeah, choose your battles, ganun. If you think hindi naman worth it, okay. You're hating, that's on you. I love me. I love life. You hate whatever it is that you hate. So, yun. Alright. True, they're not worthy of your time then. Also, I'm not talking about a specific cheat. Baka may nag-ano, "Hala, is this about ganun, ganun?" No, I'm just talking in general, really. Because, like, you know how it is in social media world lately. So much beef. So much stuff going on. So, life itself is hard. There's so many struggles, challenges, problems in life. Huwag na natin dagdagan ng puro hate pa, 'di ba? That's why actually, to be honest, that's why sometimes I lay low on social media because I mean, I would rather live my life or it's like I'm busy living my life than living my life on social media wherein everything or not everything naman wherein parang halos ano na sa social media is ayun, puro negativity. So yun, that's why there are times na parang I don't post as much. Lately I haven't been posting as much. And also because we're busy. But yeah, I've been like ano, laying low lately. Yeah. Thank you pala sa mga nag-send ng stickers. We currently have 131,000. Yeah, I also read ano naman, mga tweets na positive. I read whatever I can read. Well, because I don't always use it, and I haven't been super active on social media lately. But I do read. I do get to read your ano mga mentions niyo, like yung mga good morning, yung good night, ganun. So thank you guys for that. I appreciate that actually, because like yun yung ano, yung parang thank you for your time sa mga ganun na you guys took the time to greet us good morning or good night. Yeah. Thank you, T, the ex Beanie, for the GC bouquet. Ano naglag? But yeah. Hello. Ayan, naglag kanina. Ngayon. Hello, naglag. Oh my gosh! Nawala yung filter. Well, you see me now. This is me. You know, with all my flaws. Who cares? Anyways, I'm gonna end my live 2:45 because I have to clean. I have to do a lot pa. Thank you guys. Thank you for being grateful, guys. Yes, I will ask about the unit upstairs. I'm just reading your comments, really. Thank you, Beanie Artsy. I have 2 more minutes. I'm gonna end my live. And then, panoorin niyo yung live ng other girls. Yep, wala na yung filter ko. So you can see all my imperfections. It's fine. It's a part of me.
Last 1 minute. I hope. Doon ba tayo sa leaderboard? Still have 1 day though, but you know, no harm in trying. If we win, let's see campaign. Where is the campaign? Super many. It's top 20. Oh, we're in 11th. Hopefully, we're still gonna be there until tomorrow. Gabi. But yeah, this is my last live, I think, for this not this month, but this week. I mean, I'm gonna go live next week after everyone else. No, not month naman. But alright, goodbye guys. Thank you, Jetty, for the last pahabol ng Cheesy Bouquet. See you guys sa mga future ganap namin. And thank you. Alright guys, thank you very much for the last bye-bye. Happy Sunday, guys.